Hello everybody, so today I will do about the calculus. The topic today is about combination and permutations. So I will help you to do about this one. We have NCR plus NCR plus 1 and we have equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. So the question they ask to prove this. Now I will help you to do this question. We have NCR is about n factorial divided to r factorial multiply with n minus r factorial in here. This is the first one. Now we move this one. We will use this formula to apply this NCR plus 1 in here. We have n factorial in here. And we have r, so but we have r plus 1, so we have r plus 1 factorial in here. And we have n minus r minus 1, because the r in here they will replace with r plus 1. That's why we have n minus r and minus 1, and we got this one. Next we have this one. So we apply this formula in here and we got about n plus 1 factorial, and we have r plus 1 factorial. We have n minus r, so we have n plus 1 minus r minus 1, and you got about n minus r factorial. So now we will convert on 3c in here to become n factorial divided to r factorial multiply with n minus r factorial in here plus n factorial, and we have this one. So now we will have the equation like this. So now we need to convert on the equation on the left equal to equation on the right. So we have r plus 1 in here. R plus 1 is higher than r factorial, so that we will do about common denominator. So we will put r plus 1 in here because that is the highest, and we compare n minus r and s minus r minus 1. This one is below than n minus r in the 1 unit, so that common denominator is about n minus r factorial. So we have r with the factorial in here. So to get about the common denominator in here, we need to multiply with r plus 1 in here. So that you got about r factorial multiplied with r plus 1, that will become r plus 1 factorial in here. So in this fashion, we can say that this one is below than n minus r with 1 unit. So in this one, we will multiply with n minus r minus n minus r only, so that they will become n minus r factorial in the denominator. So now you can see that on the right on the left and on the right they have the same common denominator in here. So now we will convert this one to become n plus 1 factorial in here. So we have n factorial multiplied with r and n factorial multiplied with 1. We have n factorial multiplied with n in here. And n factorial multiplied with the r in here. And we have the minus. So this and they will eliminate together. And you got about n factorial and n factorial plus with the n in here. So we have n factorial and n factorial. They will have to do the factor. So you got about n factorial. Open the brackets. We have 1 plus n in here. So if we see that n factorial multiply with 1 plus n, that will become n plus 1 factorial in here, because that's about the series. So after we convert everything, the left equal to the right, so that we can conclude we have roof, because that's about the formula. So that's the end. Thank you for watching.